Studying in the US is expensive, but what if I told you students can earn extra money easily?
Books, rent, food, pero conseil. Every student feels this pressure.
Here are simple side hustles USA students can start with no experience.
If you're good at math, English, or coding, tutoring pays very well.
Students can freelance in writing, design, or video editing.
On-campus jobs are legal, flexible, and perfect for students.
Food delivery apps are great for flexible evening income.
Some students even build passive income through content.
Always, when can't follow the peer paths. Always follow your visa and work authorization rules.
Follow for more USA student money and side hustle tips.